This is the chicken breast. We have all the rest of the chicken left that we can use for other meals throughout the week because Jet broke it down for us. Now I'm going to put in a sprinkle, spoonful, right?
I'm going to bug you to do cornstarch. Cornstarch kind of makes everything slippery and delicious. Baking soda makes the chicken tender. You know how stir-fried chicken has that really beautiful tenderness? It's a great, it's a great thing. Salt,
great tenderizer.
Water, and that is your marinade for just about any protein. So that's happening.
It works on anything.
Remember, make every vegetable or anything you're cutting into a tile. So there's a 1/4-inch tile off the back. Here's a 1/4-inch tile off the front. I could pop the little stem right off, that's there.
Boom.
And then watch, I'm gonna make just one giant tile out of the rest of this. So I'm just gonna roll the knife.
See how you just roll that open?
I have my tiles, now what do I need to make? Slices.
Slice and dice.
Slice and dice, tile, slice, dice. So 1/4-inch slice. So I'm gonna do the chicken in there first and let that happen. You wanna switch, you wanna do the mambo, the kitchen mambo?
Baby.
I love that. So, yeah, so you'll fire that up. Yeah, do you want to babysit this? Yeah, exactly. And
okay, how about the garlic?
And then here's what I do. Anything that's not a slice or a dice is a mince or a rough chop, right? So just flatten your garlic, and if you get, or you could get aggressive and kind of do one of those things. A nice quick pass. I don't overthink garlic because 400-degree pans in garlic don't play well.
That's right.
Check it out. Goes right in just like that. I don't overthink it. Who likes chili? Any chili heads in here? All right, here we go. One. How hot are you? How spicy are you?
It up, baby.
I can just keep going. Oh, whatever. There you go, right there. Peanut. And now I'm going to teach you the 5 Asian flavors. Hot, sour, salty, sweet, savory, also known in Thai as yum. There you go. The one ingredient that you might not be familiar with, you need to have in your kitchen is oyster sauce. I'm going to put a little chili garlic sauce in there.
Yum.
Because we've cut all the vegetables to the same size, you're good to go. That's that. And who likes like that sticky sauce? Who likes a lot of sauce?
Me.
You like a lot of sauce?
Me.
Yeah. Then it's as simple as grabbing a little water, and if you want, chicken stock works too. And then taking a little bit of the cornstarch, and you make a little bit of slurry. So this is basically extending the sauce, because this is delicious already, but if you want enough sauce to coat your rice...
You want the sauce, man.
Yeah, in a matter of minutes from
this
cutting.
Looks so good.
Check you out, I got you.
Oh,
Look
baby.
at that. You assist right there.
1 bowl, 2 seconds.
Oh, this, in my opinion, would be kung pao. If you sub shrimp beef, it's all delicious.